Fredbear's family died. That's outrageous. Alright.
Mas abisyo ka. Ano ko dyan sa kapwa? 20 inspiration sa
The Return to Bloody Nights.
long game.
Hello, William. How are things going with the new restaurant?
Busy, but we're on track for a successful opening tomorrow.
Glad to hear it. And have you taken all the necessary safety measures?
Of course, I don't need anyone telling me how to run my business. And those employees who think otherwise can find work elsewhere.
Understood. And what about your family? How's everyone doing?
Elizabeth has been with me at work for the past few days. But as for Michael and Evan, they've been influenced by their mother's lies. Michael is too busy being a typical rebellious teenager, and Evan is just a young child who doesn't understand the situation. Frankly, I'd rather keep my distance from them for the time being. They're at home at the moment.
I see. Have you tried to have a conversation with your wife about this?
It's not worth the effort. She's always been self-centered, doesn't care about the family's well-being. She's even had the audacity to call me a hypocrite. But let's not focus on that right now. Let's talk about the restaurant, shall we?
Sure, but don't forget about your family. They're important too.
I don't need you to remind me of that. I know it's important. Now, if there's nothing else, I have work to do.
Actually, I just wanted to say that I worry about you. I hope the restaurant's success will make you happy.
Thank you for your concern. I appreciate it, but I have no time for your pity. I'll talk to you soon.
Ona kaksating iwa. So na tidak ko pingay. So na pingay. Tama na reaction point.
Greetings, Night Guard. Congratulations on making it to Night 4. I must say I'm impressed with your work so far. You're doing a fine job and I'm proud of you. My neck. Feels like it's been bitten in half and twisted like a pretzel. I slept like a rock last night, but I woke up feeling like I got hit by a truck. I had this weird dream where I was half robot, half human, and let me tell you, it wasn't pretty. My legs were replaced with rusty old scrap metal, and I was clunking around like some kind of junkyard Frankenstein. Can you imagine me like that? Talk about a nightmare. Anyway, enough about my weird dreams. Now, I must confess, I forgot to mention something earlier. We have some new robot prototypes in the building that we just introduced yesterday. My apologies for not mentioning this earlier, but you handled the situation like a pro, and no damage was done. Kudos to you. Now, those robots are brand spanking new. They haven't even had their first oil change yet. They require some more work before they're ready for prime time. And to be honest, they're giving me the heebie-jeebies, especially that new bunny one. But, on the bright side, that bunny's new hide-and-seek function is going to be a hit with the kids. Just make sure it doesn't start seeking you out, too. But I'm confident you'll handle it. You seem like a tough cookie. Alright, so stick to the standard procedures and keep those robots out. Oh, by the way, I'm glad you participated in this morning's voice recording session for the tapes. You sounded fantastic. Who knows, maybe I'll need you again for any updates. Now, hold on a moment, I'm being interrupted. What's up, Karen?
There's this document that just arrived.
What?
It's better for you to look at it.
A notice document about the closure of all our restaurants due to investigations regarding one of the founders being convicted of a crime.
Yes.
Including Fredbear's family. That's outrageous. Alright, I understand. Now, please return to whatever you were doing. Thanks for bringing the note, Karen. Karen. She's always trying to bring down the company. But let me assure you, we have nothing to hide and nothing to fear. Fazbear Entertainment is as clean as a whistle, and that founder is as innocent as a newborn baby. Trust me on this one, kid. I apologize for that interruption. It is unpleasant news, but don't let it get you down. manager of the restaurants won't mess with your work schedule, so you're good to go. Keep doing what you're doing, and you'll be just fine. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you keep hearing strange noises or distorted voices, it's probably just our new friend Bear roaming around. You know how these things go, always causing trouble. We're working on fixing its music box, which is also supposed to make them talk, but in the meantime, just remember to keep that door shut if it gets too close to your office. Alrighty then, keep up the good work, and I'll get you on the flip side.
Isa kanyang ata si Kisim Jakuwak. Dava, spilyasak tindiyak sa nani. It is in Dreams. Bye-bye. Point. Come a mouse, huh? Anak demik. Ay. Tadi bitiru. Ilitan tu yang minarak. Here we go again. Hey,
New. They haven't even had their first oil change
Asan,
yet.
ito nga,
They
may
require
danos
some more
pilak
work
so
before they're ready for
matok
prime
niyak sa
time.
nurani.
And to be honest, they're giving me the heebie-jeebies, especially that new bunny one. But on the bright side, that bunny's new hide-and-seek function is going to be a hit with the kids. Just make sure it doesn't start seeking you out too. Karen. She's always trying to bring down the company.
Man, kapisan.
But let me assure you,
Come
we have
down.
nothing to hide
Thank you.
and nothing to fear. Fazbear Entertainment. Alrighty then, keep up the good work, and I'll get you on the flip side.
Osso superumi so tango pa mata kung wakot. Oksiton ito. Yak sana ano. Ay ano wakta may hindi may saktra kayak
Hey,
sa
Henry.
Pingit ako na si Kurt sa kaso. Siya mga na bisilaktik kan.
Hello, William.
Siya mga na parak. Bimbili ulit sa nisa ko sa akin. Isyo. Java. Pitamavis. Di ba nga fissa? Sakti po. Apakah siapa nih? Creeps. Jakob, di pa kang reaksyon. Di ko saan ginakaroon eh. Ayoko kak. Yaksa nak pa na natarat po kasi kanis na kas ng pisin. Naksaks masus na masibay. Gabi, dulce yan ang batakos.